Hello everyone. This is topic qualities and the characteristic of a professional nurse. Qualities of the nurse. This is most important in nurse qualities. 5 qualities in nurse. Nurse efficient, noble, useful and the understanding, sympathetic and the empathetic, responsible and the resourceful. It is a 5 qualities in nurse. Qualities of the nurse. Define. First point, neat client and the pleasant appearance. Second point, good physical and the mental health. This is qualities is professional nurse. Good physical, mental your IPR and the good health. Third point, technical compositions. Fourth point, self disciplined and the professional ethical. Self disciplined and the professional ethical. This is nurse is the self defined. Alert, active and the confident. Alert, active and the confident. This nurse active and the confident. This point, responsible and the resourceful. Dependable and resourceful. This point, confident and the inspiration author. This nurse inspiration others peoples. This point, source cooperation with co-workers and the flexible to ideas. This point, consideration for of others. Consideration for others. This point, good listener. Good listener and this nurse good talking. This point, well poised onset sensor. This point, maintenance effective communication. C is a good categories of the country. This point, maintenance deity of the nurse profession. This point, respect course and the professional in a setting. To become a good nurse, a partition should be. Good nurse is a position. We self confident, humble and honest, lower. Self confident, humble and honest, lower. First, cooperative, good listener, keen, absorb, good administration, good supervisor, impartial, imperital, capable, good workman, responsible, accountable, confident, goodly, environmental, advocate. These qualities of the nurse in most important. This is qualities. Categories of the nursing personally. Bedside nurse. Bedside nurse. A nurse working is on institution with patients to provide direct bed seat nursing care. Public health care, communities health nurse. This is public health nurse, care of the community health. Usually deals with the families and community for health promotion, disease prevention and health restoration activities. Industrial occupational nurse. A nurse working infectrage affecting and company for the promotion and restoration of health and the prevention of the disease and engage military nurse. A nurse working is in a military nurse. A nurse working is a military base. Prevent duty nurse. Prevently hired nurse to care someone in need. Full form of the nurse. This most important full form of nurse. Novel, understanding, responsible, sensor of empathetic. Novel, understanding, responsible, sensor of the empathetical. This is nurse quality, understandings, responsible, good health, hygiene or maintain your IPR in qualities of the properly nurse, professional nurse. Thank you guys.